Case hardening is a heat treatment process that strengthens the surface layer of a metal piece, typically steel, while keeping the core softer. This means increased durability where it matters most. To understand it simply, think of case hardening as adding a tough shell. The outer layer becomes hardened by heat and carbon infusion, while the inner part stays soft. This combo gives strength without brittleness. Before we jump into the steps, let's look at what you need. Essential tools include a heat source like a forge, carbonizing material like charcoal, your steel piece, and of course, safety gear. Now, let's move on to the first step. Prepare your steel. Clean the metal surface to remove any impurities, ensuring an even hardening process. A clean surface lets carbon penetrate effectively. Step 2. Heat the metal. Place it in the forge and bring it to a high temperature, usually around 900 degrees Celsius or 1650 Fahrenheit. This heat allows carbon to seep into the surface. Step 3. Apply carbon compound. With the metal heated, pack it in a carbon-rich material like charcoal powder. This is what transforms the outer layer. Here's what's happening. Carbon atoms bond with the outer layer, creating that hardened shell we talked about. The process can take a few hours, depending on the depth of hardening needed. Step 4. Quenching. Now that the surface has absorbed carbon, it's time to cool it down fast. Plunge it into oil or water to lock in that hardened shell. Once cooled, your metal piece has a durable outer shell and a resilient core. It's now more resistant to wear, ideal for tools, gears, and parts that need that added toughness. And there you have it. Simple steps to transform metal with case hardening. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more industry tips like this one.